Okay, we are going to start to mark the market. Okay, remember that people they doesn't understood how to mark the market like a pro. Okay, we are going to start to mark this candle. We are going to start with a previous day. Okay, let us go to the first tool. We use magnet. After to use magnet, we mark previous low. That is number one. We choose the name. Name is previous day. CRH, CRL. We are going to choose previous day, CRL. Okay. After to choose previous day, CRL, we choose another one. This is previous day, CRH. Okay. After to get previous day, CRH, remember that people know that. Okay. After to get, we go to the second way to mark. After to mark this, you need to bring a divider. Make sure that divider is your area. From previous day CRH to previous day CRL. Okay. Then that means after that we need to bring again the 50%. You need to switch off the magnet because it's professional level. After that, you put 50%. We come here, we name it PD 50%. Okay. After to get PD 50%, you understood how the market participated yesterday. If you want to make sure that everything is set, everything is comfortable, make sure that you need to know to mark like this. The first is previous day, CRT high, previous day, CRT low, and previous day, 50%. This is how our market looks like a pro. If you want to trade like a pro, you need to be with PD, CRH, PD 50%, and PD, CRL. Okay, remember guys, I told you P stand for previous, D stand for day, C stand for candle, R stand for range, H stand for high. Here in the middle, P stand for previous, D stand for day, 50% it's a middle of a full day. We had P stand for previous, D stand for day, C stand for candle, L stand for range, and R stand for low. This is previous day, CR low, previous day, candle range high. Remember that we need a range when you decide to trade. After that, you need to look to the three candle behind. Okay, candle number 1, candle number 2, and candle number 3. And you need to understood where does this candle finished. When look to this candle, it finished above as a secret message told us that we are going to buy. Okay, remember guys, I told you to draw fib here, you need to look to 3 candle behind. Okay, after that we bring man of the match. Let us draw the fib. Okay, from PDCRH to PDCRL. Okay, after that we done. Okay, that means when look here, things looks clean. Okay, 50% same line. That means they doesn't lie us. Okay. Okay. When you write, second thing you need to know, which area does the market finished? It's a passion you need to understood. The market finished on areas of 78 and 100. When look, this is the area where the market finished. Okay, the market finished in areas of, this one we call it a blue zone. Okay, we name it as a blue zone where the market finished. Okay, the market finished on 78.60 and 100. That means we need to understood where does the market is going to start. Okay, where does the market is going to start. okay? Because the market finished above, we need to know that they are going to use one fair value gap behind. Remember, guys, about gold, when you need to understand gold, when gold is going to buy, first go to sell to get the order. This is the area where the market is going to come, okay? That means we done. We get areas where we understood that the gold is going to come. That area, we call it red zone. Why we call it red zone? Because when you want to buy, you are going to use that area. Okay. After to get that area properly, we need to get areas of liquidity. Remember, guys, to start trading, you want to trade like a pro, make sure that you be with a liquidity zone. Okay. What is a liquidity zone? Liquidity zone means that area where the banker put the money but doesn't catch on it. Okay? The banker came and pitched that money. After that, the bank go to the correct direction. Okay? Areas of liquidity. Okay? This is the areas of liquidity. Okay? This is the areas of liquidity. In the middle of the red line, okay, this is a liquidity zone, okay? After to see a liquidity zone, it means you know what you are doing. I advise you, don't use liquidity zone to trade that area. Don't enter in liquidity zone, okay? I use pink to print to show you where the liquidity zone is. Are we together? After to get the liquidity zone, you need what you call entry zone, area where you are going to enter, okay? That means you need this, okay? When you want to trade like a pro, you need to be with the liquidity zone. You need to be with entry zone, okay? After that, we got an entry zone, okay? Entry zone, it is in our area. Remember that to trading, you need to be with the tools, not using eyes. This is our entry zone. Remember, I advise you, you want to trade, make sure that you see properly. You see properly the liquidity and your entry zone. Entry zone be down on our liquidity. We enter below, okay? That means this is the area, okay? After we find the entry where the market finished, done, liquidity zone, done, and the entry zone. After to get the entry zone, we are going to put our point of interest in the middle of the zone for the entry. Make sure that you're going to put your pending order in the middle, okay? This is what you call POI Pro, okay? POI Pro. You want to trade like a pro, make sure that you had POI Pro, okay? Point of interest pro. Our point of interest, it's below to entry zone, okay? After that, we are going to the next level. That means, remember I told you that you mark daily and you go to H4 to confirm your entry. After that, you delete the fib, you don't need it. Second thing, you don't need the area where the money is, because this is where the area market finished. We don't need it. You delete it. After that, you look to the liquidity zone. You know that they are going to sweep that area, okay? After that, we need to go to H4. Why I advise you to stay in H4? This is the correct time frame you need to use. You need to use 4 hour as entry, daily to marking, weekly to bias, okay, and monthly. Use higher time frame to make a professional thing, to make a good thing, okay? You want to make a good things, make sure that you use this way, okay? After that, we are going to go to the next level. We are going to go to 4 hour to find our entry is legit or not. That means make sure that you mark up properly like this and you get a professional trading. Stop trading, gambling, stop rush on the market. Wait market to come on your entry zone like a pro. Remember, it's a professional level. We have a class on Billionaire Trader. When you like to learn how to trading like a pro, the number it's plus 256 708 23 78 79. Okay? If you want to join a class to learn how to trade like a pro, you want to make sure that you trade like me, you want to make sure that you trade like a pro, this is the number. The number it is plus 256 plus 256. Okay, the number it is plus 256 plus 256. Okay, 708, yes, 23 78 79. This is the number. When you like to trade like a pro, you come and you join our class. We are Billionaire Trader. If you like to trade like a pro, I had beginner stage, I had professional stage. Okay, when you are pro, you need to go to professional level, you need to go to VIP level, you need to be with me. When you like to trade like me, you come to me. What do you need to do? Listen properly and you sit down, you see this video. You need to download the AnyDesk you put on your laptop. I don't need to come to you. I'm going to call you, I contact you, and I teach you on your own country. Okay? You don't need to come to me. I'm going to teach you live one-on-one. That is a VVIP. I have VVIP and I have beginner. Okay? When you had a phone, you just download the AnyDesk, you put on your phone, I call you, and you sit, you learn to trade like a pro. Okay, guys, after that, let us go to our H4 and we get a big image, okay? If you want to come, I want to trade, coach, come to me and you see the beautiful thing, okay? Okay, guys, this is, let us go to H4. After to mark our market to look like this, we are done. Remember that we had a big group called the Billionaire Trader Family. We trade like a family. If you want to join us, you contact me on the WhatsApp and we start to learn together, okay? Okay, guys, after that, we go to the second level, okay? Second level, this is the level where you need to understand properly, okay? When you know how to mark, properly, okay? When you know how to mark properly, make sure that you need a professional way, okay? You need a professional way. Okay, let us go to H4 and we confirm our entry. Remember that we came with our entry from the daily time frame, okay? Okay, let us go to 4 hour. What do you need to 4 hour? We need candle pass in POI, okay? We need the candle pass in POI area, okay? That is the candle we need. That is the candle help us to trade. This is the candle help us to trade like a pro, okay? Remember that we had the liquidity area, as I show you, that we need to build the liquidity area. Perfect. We need to understand that we are going to trade like a pro. Make sure that you know that you are going to trade like a pro, okay? We come here to see candle pass in POI. How did you call that candle? That candle, we call it a order, okay? A order. Remember, people, they doesn't know about the order block. This is a professional order block, okay? When you find the candle pass in areas of POI, that is our order. We came to H4 to confirm just our entry, okay? Nothing at all, okay? Let us do. We draw the fib from this area, from HH to LL, okay? This is the way, okay? You want to trade like a pro? You came to us, okay? How did you going to mark this H4? Let me take you back properly. You understood? Because person can ask me, why coach decide that, okay? This one previous day you delete it because her job is done. This one, her job is done. Remember that you had this one, previous law, her job is done, okay? We doesn't need them. Those one, delete it. Stay with your candle. This is the candle pass on POI. If you want to trade like me, join me on my number and we start to learn together, okay? WhatsApp me. How did you going to mark that H4? This is the way you are going to mark it, okay? This is the way you are going to mark it, okay? When you mark it, this is a previous, this is a, we come this one, we call it LL, okay, for H4, and you go to up, we call it HH Pro, okay? This is HH Pro, okay? HH Pro, okay? That means we get it, okay? And we draw the fib. We like to understood that the fib catch on our lines properly, okay? The reason why we put lines, we need to know that the fib catch on our lines properly, okay? Okay, perfect. That means we get the perfect way, okay? We came to know that that area it's rigid. Remember that we need to understood that this area POI it's on golden zone. I see every person see the golden zone. Areas of 50%, this is 38, 50 and 61.8, 50.00%, 38.20%, okay? This is the areas for the entries, okay? When you look to this area, the market told us areas of 50%, it's on same line. It's the same line. It's on same line with our BBPOI Pro. Are we together? It's our POI. This is the way you can find. What is liquidity? Liquidity, this is the money above. The market came to sweep. Don't fall in the trap. They crash you, okay? That means this one told us our entry point, it's rigid, okay? Remember that we need a stop loss, a happiness stop loss, okay? A happiness stop loss. Our stop loss, we are going to put on areas of 38 to make sure that we are safe. This is the stop loss pro, okay? This is stop loss pro. That's why I told you, remember that when you like to trade like a pro, join my group. That is a stop loss pro, okay? Our stop loss pro, you like to trade a stop loss pro, go in line. After to put it, lock it, okay? That means we got our POI right in right connection. Our entry point is in the right connection, okay? Remember that we are going to trade like pro, okay? Stop loss is done. We had POI is done on our lines. Remember that we are going to enter the market. Let us see what you are going to do, okay? After to reach here, we are going to move our areas of okay, after to say this, we are going to see where we are going to enter properly. The fib is going to help us to give us a perfect thing, to get a perfect entry. Okay, remember that you like to enter like a pro. This is the way you can calculate. He told us our POI on this area, okay, and this one told us our POI it's on this area. That means we're gonna leave our point of interest in correct area, okay, and we draw our professional POI, okay, again on some area, because this one told us this is the right way, okay, this is the right way where the POI is, okay, this is POI, okay, and you come to the settings, you check POI Pro, okay, and we choose it, we put it in line, okay. After to put it into the line, we are going to move the liquidity zone, because her job was done. He came to show us a liquidity where the liquidity is, and we finished to see that area properly, okay, and we finish to see that area properly. That means we stay with our POI. Even right now, her job for the entry zone, we stay with our entry zone only, okay. After that, we bring this order to give us where the take a profit is, okay. This is a perfect thing you need to understood, okay. When you come here, this is a perfect thing you need to understood, okay. A stop loss, we put it on 38, okay. That means when we decide to lose, we decide to lose only this money. Let us say this is our POI properly, okay. From POI to lose, we decide to lose only $8. That means stop loss, it is $9. 8.848, it's $9. We risk $9, okay. We risk $9, and we are going to target areas of take a profit one. It's for beginner, okay. When you are still beginning, I advise you to take this take a profit one, okay. This is take a profit one, 127.20, okay. This is take a profit one, okay. This one we call it ILG Pro, internal liquidity grab, okay. After to get the internal liquidity grab take a profit one, we go to the take a profit two. For those one who like to take a profit two, that means you come to the professional level. This is our take a profit again, okay. Take a profit again. This is the take a profit two for those one who like to trade like a pro. This one we call it IPT Pro, okay. This is IPT Pro. When you like to become a professional trader, you need to know this is institution profit taken. Institution, they take a profit on this area. Okay, for those one advanced level like us, we take expansion phase, okay. Expansion phase is on this area, 127.20, it's expansion, okay. You like to take a profit one, take a profit two. Expansion, it is my take a profit two. That money, it's enough for every trader out there. Remember guys, I told you when you want to trade, make sure that you know how you are going to trade like a pro. For those one who take a profit one, they are going to take $42 when you risk $90. Are we together? Guys, you can calculate there and you see risk to reward. It's like a 1 to 4 to 3, okay? Take a profit two. For those one who know what they are doing, they are going to take $64. That is why this one, they are good. We call them professional, okay? They risk $9 and they take $64, okay? Take a profit for the expansion. Those one, the professional traders, they know what they are doing. They are going to take $100. Guys, you can risk $9 and you earn $100. That means risk to reward, it be 1 to 9. That's why I told you to come and join a billionaire trader. We are billionaire trader. We teach people how to trade like a pro, okay? How to trade with risk management, how to trade with the liquidity profession, okay? This is the way you can learn to trade like a pro, okay? Okay, after to measure that, we get all our things in set. We are going to the last stage. This is the last stage for the trading, okay? Last stage, remember that we don't chase the market, okay? We don't chase the market. We decide we trade like a profession. We leave market to come on our zones, okay? After that, we are going to delete. Remember, guys, I need a clean chart. I need chart to be clean. You see everything, okay? I'm going to move the fib because her job is done. What did you use to fib? Fib is the one we use to give a stop loss. Stop loss, it's at 8.20. Entry on 50, but for us, we decide to go with the POI for the daily. What was the daily said, okay? Stop loss, $989, okay? Take a profit, we take $100 professional. After that, we are going to move the fib. The last stage. This is the last stage. This is the way you can do it to get the numbers, okay? After that, you are going to delete HH, okay? LL, you are going to delete them. You stay with a clean picture, okay? Why I told you to build the clean picture? This is the way you can see the market where it's going. It doesn't disturb anything, okay? HH, delete it, because for us we need a clean picture, okay? This is a daily we had, the take a profit, our calculator man we had, okay? Let us put a light way. We put a light way for the take a profit because somebody want to visual it, okay? This is light way, okay? Okay, and the stop loss is here, okay? It has even this one we use a light way, okay? Because light way can help us to visualize our market, to monitor our market. You're starting to monitor your market, okay? Remember that this entry you are going to use pending orders, not to chasing the market. Profession, they don't chasing the market, okay? They don't chasing the market, okay? They just measure the market, they put. This is the last stage, okay? You come to the call to the price label and you name, this is my stop loss. You first name it, okay? The number for the stop loss, okay? This is my entry, this number for the stop loss. You come here to template. Remember that this one you save it to be professional. When you call me, it means I save all these things for you, okay? That means when you like to save it, you came and you contact me and I told you how you can do it. This is stop loss, okay? And I try to choose the red. The red, it's my color, okay? Okay, after to get the red, that is stop loss, we need to get our entry point, price label again. This is POI where we are going to enter the market, okay? This is POI, you like to enter the market, you like to enter like a pro. This one we call it entry point, entry pro, okay? That is the number for the entry. For those beginners, you want to take a profit one, you relax, you see the market. This is your take a profit one, okay? For those beginning, they know, they say, for us, who doesn't know the market, who doesn't know properly how the market react, we are going to take a profit one. They are going to take a profit one. It's ILG Pro. This is the take a profit one. It's for that color. You want to take a profit two. You know that me, I know the market, I go with the institution. I know that institution, they had to give them profit. You take this one. This is the way you are going to take it, okay? This is take a profit two for those want to take a profit for the institution, okay? This one we call it IPT Pro. IPT stand for institution profit taken. Okay, remember that when you advanced, you know the market where it's going, you measure the market properly. This is the way you are going to do it. You are going to take a profit too. This one we call it red zone. When you reach there, we know that money it's be enough to everybody. This is the way we trade like a pro. If you want, we begin with the red and you end with the red. When the market reaching expansion, for us, we done our day. Thank you guys for joining me. This is Billionaire Trader YouTube, where you can learn to trade like a pro. If you want to trade like a pro, you join Billionaire Trader group. Okay, my group, we talk about the price and everything, and we decide to trade like a pro. For those one who like to trade with me, this is my number. You like to trade with me, the number it's plus 256. Okay, let us put it here. Okay, plus 256. It's plus 256 plus 256. It is plus 256 space 0708. Yes, 23. Okay, 23. Okay, 23. Okay, 78. Okay, 79. You WhatsApp me on that number and we go in touch and we talk about the price and everything if you want to trade like a pro. Thank you for joining, guys. I appreciate this one. Don't stop. Type the like, comment anything you want to know about trading. I will be here to help you to pass through about it. This is the way you can trade like a pro. You risk $9 and you made $100. Okay, thank you guys. This is the way you can do risk to reward for the 8, 3, 4, and you done your day. Thank you guys. Stay trading, stay happiness in trade. Make sure that everything you trade, make sure that everything you see properly like me. Thank you guys. I'm gone. I'm done.